Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about video scanning or other means and what that means in the context of a level 2 chimney inspection. I've been asked about this many times, so just thought I'd record this short video to explain at least my position on this. So I'm Jim Brewer. I've been in the chimney business for a long time now. I'm the owner of Rooftop Safety USA, which does technical and safety training for chimney service technicians. I've also been a representative to NFPA 211 and NFPA 54 for over 30 years now. So I have a little bit of background on code making and the NFPA process. So, quick disclaimer, this discussion is not an official interpretation of NFPA codes, but rather my opinion of the history and background of this section. I was on the NFPA 211 committee when this section was first added to the standard in 2000. And I was still on the committee when that section was changed for the 2024 edition. So this section, and I'll read through it here, first appeared in the 2000 edition of NFPA 211 as part of the newly developed chimney inspection standard. And specifically, this section appeared under the scope and access requirements of a level 2 inspection. And the section in question read, "The inspection shall include examination of accessible areas of all chimney flues and the internal surfaces of all flue liners incorporated within the chimney with video scanning equipment or other means used as necessary to observe those areas." So when it was first published in 2000, this was section 11-15.2.3, and due to other structural changes in the documents over the years, it became 15.4.2.3 in the 2019 edition of NFPA 211, but the words and the requirement did not change from when it was originally published in 2000 up until the current edition or 2024 edition. So, in my opinion, the original intent of this was to allow for future innovation. We didn't want to, prevent new technologies, new equipment from being used, provided they could achieve results similar to what you could get with video scanning. So that was the original intent, was simply to allow future innovation and new products to be appropriately used. So, when I've been asked about this in the past, what does "or other means" actually mean, I've said it was there to allow, or better yet, not prohibit, new innovations that provided similar results to video scanning, and the true test of that might one day be decided by a jury. In other words, if you're on the stand having to explain what you did after something bad happened, will you be able to convince a jury that your other means produce similar results to what could have been achieved with video scanning? So, would a flashlight or mirror produce similar results? Probably not, but those are some of the things that have commonly been referenced in regards to this, but it wasn't really the intent of the original section. So This section was changed in the 2024 edition of NFPA 211. And you can see the new text here in legislative format with strikeout for the words that were removed and underlining for the words that were added. So the new section now reads, the inspection shall include examination of accessible areas of all chimney flues and the internal surfaces of all flue liners incorporated within the chimney with image scanning equipment or more advanced technological viewing systems used as necessary to observe those areas. Whenever an NFPA committee processes a change, they have to provide rationale or a committee statement. So the committee statement for this change reads as follows. The purpose of this recommended change is to ensure the internal flue is inspected by image scanning or other means equal or better than image scanning. When the standard was originally drafted, the or other means was put there to allow future innovation. However, the words other means have sometimes been interpreted to be a flashlight or mirror, and this was never the intent of the original standard. And so that was the committee statement. And just an additional personal note here, video scanning was changed to image scanning because video implies moving, like film, like a movie, where that is not specifically required. And image scanning, like still images, could be used. And there's nothing wrong with doing that. So that's why video was changed to image. So in conclusion, if you're performing level 2 inspections, you need to have and use some type of modern image scanning equipment. Anything less than that falls below the industry standard and could expose your clients to unnecessary risk while also exposing you to potential liability if something bad happens. So I hope that explains what the or other means actually meant and how it evolved and how it was changed. So if I can ever help you, feel free to reach out. My contact info is here. Have a great day and stay safe out there. Thank you.